Flight feathers. Flight feathers are present in two parts of the bird's body, wings and tail part. Flight feathers of wings help birds to fly, whereas the tail feathers help the bird to change direction while flying. Flight feathers are strong, stiff and long feathers on bird's wing and tail part that help bird to fly. And flight feathers are also known as quill. And you must have seen it that quills are also, it would make a good writing utensils. In earlier days also, the people used to write with the help of quill. Isn't it interesting? What makes a bird a bird? One of the first feature you probably think of when you think of a bird is that it has wings and it can fly. But of course, not all birds can fly. There are some birds which cannot fly, and such birds are known as flightless birds. Ostrich, penguin, kiwi, emu are well-known examples of flightless birds. Children, these birds cannot fly, but alternatively they have developed swimming or running capacities. For example, ostrich can run very fast with their strong legs instead of flying, and penguins can swim free in the water just like fish. Let us talk about kiwi. It's a flightless bird which is found only in New Zealand. And the body of kiwi is covered with hair-like feathers. It has stout and short legs, and their nostrils are present at the end of their long beak. And this is one of the features that help them to detect their prey. And the feather pattern of kiwi allow it to protect themselves by disappearing in the dark and fading into the forest vegetation. So this way it protects itself. And ostrich, which is a well-known flightless bird. Children, ostriches are very big and heavy, and they have small feathers, and due to which they cannot fly. But they have strong legs with two clawed toes. Generally, birds have 4 claws, but ostriches have 2 clawed toes, means they have 2 claws present in their feet part, which they use for running and kicking. And as you know that ostriches are found only in Africa. Other very famous flightless birds are penguins. You all must have seen penguins, and penguins are present in polar regions. In the southern hemisphere they are found, and their wings are paddle-like flippers, means they have modified their wings into pedal-like flippers, which help them to swim. So they are very good swimmers, and they can, you can say, they can fly in water. They cannot fly in air, but they can fly in water. So this is all about today's EVS session. Hope you enjoyed today's EVS session, and in our next session we will talk about beaks of birds.